Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model code and powering on the Whirlpool. Once on, make sure the door is firmly closed and the water supply is open. Press the power button to wake the control panel. You'll see either the clock, a blinking indicator, or dashes. If the display is blank, hold power for 3 seconds to reset. Now locate the clock or settings button. This is where you begin setting the time, so keep the panel in view. You enter clock or settings mode by pressing the clock/time button once. Some models require holding it for 2 seconds. Once active, use the plus and minus buttons or the cycle selection dial to advance hours. Press again to switch to minutes. Adjust minutes with the same controls until the desired time appears. Make sure you check AM versus PM on 12-hour machines. If it uses 24-hour military time, you simply set hours from 0 to 23. When correct, press Start or Clock to save. You finish by pressing Start or the clock button to save the time. The display will stop blinking, confirming the change. If the display is blank or the setting won't save, unplug the washer for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and repeat the steps. If buttons are unresponsive, make sure Child Lock or Control Lock is off. Toggle the lock combo shown on the panel. If problems persist, note error codes and contact Whirlpool support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.